Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Kingdom. Join Froggy to experience a luxury life in today's challenge. Would you rather Luxury Mystery Gift Edition? Froggy has 60 questions and you only have 8 seconds to make your choice. If you're ready, hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and let's get started. Would you rather have a Rolex or a mystery gift? Wow! Porsche 911 Turbo S! Do you prefer $1 million or the mystery gift? Amazing! It's Las Vegas Penthouse! Diamond earrings or the mystery gift? Gold earrings! Would you choose a gold gaming room or a mystery gift? Awesome! It's gold bathroom! Have a Gucci bag or a mystery gift? Louis Vuitton bag. Get a private yacht or a mystery gift? Please give Froggy a like button. 24K gold iPhone or the mystery gift? It's a gold bike! What's your choice, gold burger or the mystery gift? Wow, gold pizza! Tesla Model S or the mystery gift? BMW M5. Have $100,000 cash or the mystery gift? It's Mountain Mansion. Ariana Grande private concert or the mystery gift? Amazing! Taylor Swift private concert! Would you pick $2 million gold Jordans or the mystery gift? Wow, it's closet full of shoes! Do you prefer the underwater bedroom or the mystery gift? Luxury treehouse! Would you eat caviar or what's in the mystery gift? Awesome! It's caviar nachos! Have a private helicopter or a mystery gift? Diamond Crypto smartphone! The most expensive Xbox controller or what's in the mystery gift? Mona Lisa! Pick one, kick one. Motorcycle or the mystery gift? It's the world's most expensive go-kart! 777 burger or the mystery gift? Comment your favorite luxury food! Get a $1 million gold mountain bicycle or the mystery gift. Wow, unlimited money! Own a luxury jet ski or what's in the mystery gift? It's private indoor water park! Would you have the diamond necklace or the mystery gift? Gold toilet paper! Diamond ring or the mystery gift? What's your pick? It's ring pop! Have a luxury Caribbean vacation or a mystery gift? Amazing! It's luxury ski resort vacation! Audi R8 or the mystery gift? Stack of gold bars! Eat the $1,000 ice cream sundae or the mystery gift? Diamond boxing gloves! Do you want to have the backyard pool or the mystery gift? It's a pet tiger! Cadillac Escalade or the mystery gift? $3.5 million Lamborghini yacht! Would you choose to travel to space or the mystery gift? It's personal submarine! Would you rather get the personal trainer or the mystery gift? Private beach mansion! BMW 8 Series or the mystery gift? Gold Beats headphones! Own an exotic car collection or the mystery gift? Yes, the most expensive hamburger! Pick one, kick one. Mercedes-Benz or the mystery gift? Nice! $5 million Pokemon card! Do you want a Jaguar or the mystery gift? It's Ferrari! Private gym or the mystery gift? Wow! Home theater room! Would you rather pick Bugatti or the mystery gift? Amazing! $50,000 in gold! Luxury RV or the mystery gift? It's a private island house! Would you rather choose the most expensive PS5 or the mystery gift? Yes, the most expensive gaming mouse! Pick one, kick one. Lamborghini or the mystery gift? Yup, private jet! Collection of expensive watches or the mystery gift? It's a beach house! Do you want to have the personal chef or the mystery gift? Personal hairstylist! Have a personal chauffeur or what's in the mystery gift? Amazing! Mansion in the woods! Would you choose free ice cream for life or the mystery gift? Yes, free pizza for life! It's Westin Hotel Bagel! Would you rather pick the private island or the mystery gift? Nice! Private resort! Do you want to travel first class or have the mystery gift? Stay in a 7-star hotel! Would you rather own exclusive jewelry or the mystery gift? Wear designer clothes! Would you rather eat truffles or the mystery gift? Awesome! It's gold cheesesteak! Own a vintage wine collection or the mystery gift? Own rare art pieces! Mansion in Beverly Hills or the mystery gift? It's a castle in Europe! Would you eat saffron or what's in the mystery gift? Oysters! Have a vacation in the Maldives or what's in the mystery gift? Wow! Ski in the Swiss Alps! Would you rather attend the Oscars or the mystery gift? Have dinner with Mr. Beast! Lobster trap truffle mac and cheese or what's in the mystery gift? It's High Roller Sushi Roll! Have a private zoo or the mystery gift? An indoor pool! Do you want to have the luxury walk-in closet or the mystery gift? Nice! It's luxury home cinema! Wagyu beef or what's in the mystery gift? Gold leaf! Would you rather own a luxury boat or the mystery gift? Own a racehorse! Smart home or what's in the mystery gift? Wow! Island retreat! Would you rather eat foie gras or the mystery gift? Nice! It's fugu! Would you choose the rooftop garden or the mystery gift? It's Rooftop Cafe! Thank you for watching the video, and now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kingdom for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next challenge.